You have a fixed amount of tire grip. If you use it all to brake, you have mathematically zero left to turn. You have a fixed amount of tire grip. Use it all to brake, and you have mathematically zero left to turn. Most riders waste their climbing gains by descending terribly. Think of grip as a budget. This is the traction circle. If you spend 80% of your grip on heavy braking, you only have 20% left for leaning. That's why the most common, dangerous mistake is braking during the turn. Brake in a straight line first. Every corner has 3 distinct phases. Approach wide to open your line of sight. Hit your target speed before the apex. Then release the brakes, hit that inside apex, and accelerate wide on the exit. Here's where people get sketchy. In the apex, your outside pedal must be pinned at 6 o'clock, driving your body weight down. This anchors your center of gravity and guarantees you won't clip your inside pedal. Don't lean your body with the bike like a MotoGP rider. Keep your torso relatively upright and push the bike down beneath you. This counterweighting technique pushes the tire aggressively into the tarmac, dramatically increasing your grip margin. To initiate that lane, use countersteering. Above 15 kilometers an hour, you don't steer into the turn. Push the inside handlebar away. Push left to go left. It feels completely counterintuitive, but it's pure physics. Let's talk switchbacks. On an uphill hairpin, the inside line is shorter, but the gradient severely spikes. Unless you're launching an attack, take the outside line. It's flatter, lets you maintain momentum, and saves massive energy. Downhill switchbacks are the hardest corners in cycling. The secret is the late apex. Turn in much later than you think, so you can clearly see the exit. And honestly, slowing to 15 kph here is completely fine. Wet roads change the math completely. Your available tire grip drops by roughly 30%. That exact corner you confidently carve at 40 in the dry will put you in the ditch at 30 in the wet. For aggressive descending, always be in the drops. It lowers your mass and gives you actual leverage on the brakes. In a group, hold your lines. Never swing wide and sweep out the rider behind you. Don't just hope you get better on epic mountains. Go to an empty roundabout and practice your outside foot pressure. Next ride, physically note your braking points on a familiar descent. Consistency builds speed. Cornering is a learned skill, not a talent. Go practice. Cornering is a learned skill, not a talent. Go practice.